finishing her with a 5th? Is there any possibility? No! That is so close!
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
My family moved to Latvia when I was like 2 years old. I've been living here ever since. How about yourself, bro? 2x on number 10. Let's go. Are you single? Nah, I'm a Pringle. Haha, crazy time. Let's go, baby. Woo! Let's get crazy. Hey, what's up, party people? And welcome to Crazy Time. Hope y'all doing well. Hope you're ready to rumble. So, choose your flapper, green, blue, or yellow. Choose your character. And then once the choice has been made and the time runs out, we're gonna proceed with the spin. Let's see what the max multiplier, it is this time 100x. Okay, say less, good luck to you. Let's go. Ooh, 25 on green and yellow. Double trouble on the blue flapper. Oh, snap, let's go. So now the max multiplier is going to be 200x. Ladies and gentlemen, good luck to you. Let's go. Well, 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 it's another double for the blue team. All right, everybody, maximum multiplier now increased to 400x. Oh, man. All right, wait, what? Congratulations. I meant good luck is what I'm saying.
This is the amount of money issued, 288,828 euros.
Congratulations, guys. Let's go. $5,500 winners, baby. We got Abigail, 18,000. Lazio with a 6.1 thousand. Ernest with a 5,000 euro win. Woo-wee! Betting time is open. Let's go. Man, that was nice. All right, time for the next spin. Let's go. that was sick. All right, spin is made. Good luck, everybody.
D. 2,892 winners. And let's spin the wheel. Here it is. Good luck. Let's spin this wheel. Let's make some money, guys. Crazy time 3x. Oh, no way. Guys, no way. Let's go. This is it. This is the big one. Woo. Crazy time 3x. This could be big. Boom. Choose your flapper. Green, blue, yellow. $300x max multiplier.
This is the amount of money issued, 507,809 euros.
300x green, blue 45x, 60x, 300x green, let's go. 300x.
Up, dog, in the next round. Right here, right now. Let's now to the next one. Bets now closing down. 1 or 2. Bets now close. Pops on this. There we go. No bonus. No bonus. So this is no bonus. This is no bonus, bro. This is no bonus. Okay, man. This is no bonus, guys. So I should say that this one instead of crazy time, right? No bonus, guys, right? No bonus. There we go. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Это так crazy time. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to decide for yourself. You got a green, yellow, blue flapper. Biggest one is now blue as always, ladies and gentlemen. 200x multiplier, biggest one. Please like it, everybody.
This is the amount of money issued 43,460 for euros.
Woo! Green! Green!
Betting time, and for those who are writing, please spin properly for the hand and stuff. I'm spinning how I'm supposed to spin, and also for you for the last comment, so no need to say that. Thank you. Tesla number 2 with 3x. Oh, you were guessing 24. I'm not 24. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a crazy time again. Again, crazy time. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, decision time. Here is to choose one of the flapper, green, blue, yellow. Which one do you like the most? And right now, blue is the most popular one. Final seconds of decision time. And the maximum multiplier is 100x. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a double on green flapper again. And the maximum multiplier is 200x. Another double! And the maximum multiplier is 400x. Another double! And the maximum multiplier is 800x. Another double! Woo! And the max maximum multiplier is 1,600x.
This is the amount of money issued 82,398 euros.
Oof. 240x on green, 20x on blue, and 50x on yellow. Congratulations and compliments to all the 1,000.
But you're very sweet. Thank you so much for the compliment. I love you too. So let's make a spin. I would say mahal ko kaya to all Filipino people. Love you so much. Pachinko with a 50x top slot. Is there any possibility? No! That is so close! Oh no! I wish if I could got that Pachinko with a 50x. No way. That is so close. So let's make a spin. Let's try. Cyan means, as always. Come on, Yoshi. Guys, teach me some Tagalog. Raise it down with a 2x top slot. Is there any possibility for crazy time? And that's a top slot win for crazy time 2x. Let's go for the crazy time top slot. And here we go. We are going 5th time for crazy time with a top slot. Welcome everyone to Crazy Time, and finally top slot win for the Crazy Time 2x. And it's time for us to see the magic, and 2x from the top slot is adding to the wheel. And it's time for you to choose your favorite flapper. Blue, green, yellow, and most of the people are going for the blue. Oh, I'm so thrilled. The highest is on the wheel is 200x. Wow, we need doubles. We need double. Let's go for it. Woohoo! Double for the blue flapper, 30x for green and yellow. Once again, blue got double. And now the highest is 400x. Blue team, let's double it. It's a double again for the blue flapper. Woohoo! And there we go. The highest is 800x. Let's double it.
This is the amount of money issued 147,616 euros.
100x, go the blue flapper. Woohoo! Congratulations everyone. 607 winners got 400x. What a win, blue flapper. Second.
Next round, betting time. Okay, let's go. Last crazy time was 50, 20, 25x. Bets are close. Good luck. That's what Pachinko with 2x. Come on. Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, that's a Pachinko with 2x tops of multiplier. There is 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 200, double, 200x. No, tens. I forgot about this one. 400x is the highest one. Let's go. Come closer, closer, closer.
This is the amount of money issued to 159,550 euros.
1,300.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.